Tingnan naman. What something?
Pupo.
Sino ikaw? Mukhang pupo.
Hindi ate.
Ako? Ay, ikaw yung may headband na brown.
Huh?
Brown is color poops.
Wala. You have mama?
Mahal pa ulit-ulit?
Yes.
Siyempre, meron.
Hindi mo isip wala. Kasi only one mama no have two mama. Ate, this can cover two Tiffany here.
Saan?
These two Tiffany.
Electric fan. Turn the electric fan.
You want to see the other hand?
Laka. Ano ka dyan?
No, I'm talking.
Ha?
Yung kuya just talking?
Kuya Josh. Nadamay na naman si Kuya Josh dyan. O, ano na naman sinabi ni Kuya Josh?
Ha?
Ano na naman sinabi niya?
He said, ate, no have money.
Wala akong pera? Paano mo nasabi?
Follow me.
Lo. Bakit?
Kasi you got kuya just money.
Hoy, babayaran ko yon.
Barat.
Utang yon, babayaran ko. Hindi ko yung kinuha.
Yes.
Hindi ah.
You get it.
Hindi ah.
You look to kuya just go to see, yeah, but you get all.
Hoy, hindi ah.
Yes.
OA ka, B. OA ka ba?
No.
Oh, hindi pala eh.
Kita na.
Ano? Ano nakita mo?
You get, kuya just go to see how you get the money.
Hindi ah. Ba't ko naman kukunin?
Kasi you say you wala money.
Inutang ko yun, be.
Or, minta.
Utang means borrow. Like bale. Mama, ate borrow money to mama, diba?
You need give him money.
Siyempre, pag ate meron ng sahod,
You need give mama money them.
hindi, siyempre. Ate is working here. Dito babayan. Loko-loko ka ba? Sabi mo dyan.
Let me tell you.
Oh.
Tiffany help ako working. Sabi say, ano ba?
Sabi ni ako?
Yes.
Ako or akong? Ako? Your uncle?
Let me tell you some funny thing. Can you help me get out this? Papa said, ate is poo-poo.
No, ate takes a bath. Take a bath.
Tipo,
Hindi naligo ako, be. You look, ate is basa.
Tiffany wash my head.
Hindi wala.
Yes, basa.
Tingin? Ay, oo nga, basa nga. Ba't ka nagpagupit?
Kasi it's too hot. Hot Tiffany.
Ses, hot. Uy, simba ko, palayo. Sabihin mo simba ko.
You have wee-wee.
You say simba ko muna.
Ate,
That's
dito.
bad. That's bad. You say simba ko.
Good.
Say simba ko.
Simbago.
Oh, yeah, very good.